An Ethiopian Airlines passenger jet has crashed on a flight from Addis Ababa to Nairobi. Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed tweeted his deepest condolences to the families of those that have lost their loved ones. Flight ET 302 crashed near the town of Bishoftu, 62 kilometers southeast of the capital Addis Ababa, the airline said, identifying the plane was a Boeing 737-800 MAX. The airline confirmed that 149 passengers and 8 crew members were aboard, as the plane took off from Addis Ababa at 8:35 a.m. but crashed 6 minutes later. Our deepest condolences to those who lost their loved ones. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.